In today's video, we are going to look at how you can grow your hair fast and long without stopping. In fact, if you are suffering from hair growth, the same time hair fall, and you'd like to make your hair soft, my dear, this is the best video for you, because I'm going to tell you how you can use Nescafe for hair growth, the same time to prevent hair fall. My dear, this is an amazing recipe you should know starting from today. Okay, but before I proceed, subscribe to my YouTube channel Coach Uganda, invite your friends to my YouTube channel Coach Uganda, leave a comment in the comment section, and of course, why not? Without wasting a lot of time, let's go to our preparation. I'll come back and I tell you more about this recipe, when to use it and how to use it. These are the ingredients we need for our home recipe to take place. As you see, we need Nescafe. Okay, you can use any type of coffee powder. It can be Nescafe or another type of coffee powder. So we need Nescafe. We need onion. Okay, you can use red onion. You can use white onion, and we need coconut oil, guys. It can be in liquid form or it can be in solid form, guys, but mine is in solid form. So you can, here another product we need is rosemary oil, or you can use peppermint oil, guys. Lastly, we need aloe vera gel, but for aloe vera gel you can get it in your nearby supermarkets. Okay, but make sure that when you are buying aloe vera gel, it has to be organic. Okay, it has to be organic from the supermarket, or you can get aloe vera from your garden. So these are the things we need for our home recipe to take place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, guys. Starting from today, you will start growing your hair fast and long, and this home recipe will make it smooth, okay, and it will stop hair fall. So let us start mixing our ingredients and we see how it ends, because at the end I will tell you how to use this home recipe, when to use this home recipe, and for how long to use this home recipe, guys. But don't forget to subscribe, to invite your friends to my YouTube channel, and of course to be friends on TikTok Coach Uganda, Facebook Coach Uganda, and YouTube Coach Uganda, guys. For onion, you can use red onion or it can be white onion, but mine is white onion. For you, you can use red onion, it has no problem. Okay, so we need onion juice, guys. We need onion juice for our home recipe to take place. Trust me, this is amazing recipe which will shock you and which will help you to grow your hair fast and long. But as I told you, you can be friends on TikTok as Coach Uganda, Facebook as Coach Uganda, YouTube as Coach Uganda, Instagram as Coach Uganda. So we can be friends everywhere, guys. But make sure that for the onion juice we need 2 tablespoons. From that, we have to filter our onion juice. As I told you, please make sure that you filter your onion in order to get onion juice. Make sure that you get 2 tablespoons, not 1 tablespoon, but because I'm just showing you, I'm going to use only 1 tablespoon of onion juice. But for you, make sure that you use 2 tablespoons of onion juice, but mine, you see, is just 1 tablespoon. Okay, but for you, make sure that you use 2 tablespoons of onion juice. Another ingredient we need is coffee powder. Okay, coffee powder, we are going to add also 1 tablespoon. Add for me also 1 tablespoon. Coffee powder, 1 tablespoon. From that, make sure that you mix your recipe. Okay, from that, make sure that you mix your home recipe very well. Another ingredient we need is aloe vera gel. For aloe vera gel, you can use the aloe vera from your garden if you have, but if you don't have, you can buy aloe vera gel from your supermarkets. But make sure that aloe vera gel is supposed to be organic. Okay, it has to be pure aloe vera gel, not fake ones, but pure aloe vera gel, 100% organic. So we need also 1 tablespoon for our home recipe to take place. Add also 1 tablespoon, as you see is enough, 1 tablespoon. Lastly, we need peppermint oil, or if you have rosemary oil, you can use, depending on what you have. If you have rosemary oil, you add 5 drops. If you have peppermint oil, you can add also 5 drops. So I'm going to add only 5 drops of my rosemary oil, guys. Only 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These are enough, guys, for our home recipe to take place. We're going to mix very well. Okay, we're going to mix very well our home recipe so that we get the best results out of it. As you see, this is our home recipe. Very easy to make at home, very productive, effective, and trust me, it doesn't have overdose, it doesn't have side effects. Okay, so only this one, it will shock you to give you nice results, guys. You have seen the preparation, very easy to make at home, very easy to get the ingredients, and trust me, if you are suffering from hair growth, my dear, this is the best remedy for you. The same time, if you are suffering from hair fall, try out this home recipe. And you too, if you like to promote hair smoothness, okay, you like to make your hair smooth, you too, this is the best remedy for you guys. Okay, but before I proceed, please subscribe, invite your friends to my YouTube channel, leave a comment in the comment section, and of course share this video after completing. Okay, so what you're going to do, my dear sister, I want you to apply that remedy directly on your scalp. From that, massage gently using a brush or using your fingertips for 5 minutes. Okay, for 5 minutes. Lastly, leave that recipe to stand on your scalp for 30 to 45 minutes. Okay, for 30 to 45 minutes, and use low warm water to wash your hair using shampoo. It means use shampoo and low warm water to wash your hair. Trust me, do it 2 times in the week. 2 times in the week, Monday and Friday, or Friday and Saturday. Only 2 times in the week. Trust me, you'll be shocked with the results. It will make your hair to grow fast, to make it smooth, and of course to soften your hair. So try out this home recipe and thank me later. I'm Coach Uganda, and God bless you. Bye bye. See you again to the next video.